I'm going to demo this and show you how to install it pretty soon, but I want to tell you about this one. So I was looking for an affordable water filter system for the kitchenette in my basement, and folks at Vortopt sent me this for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So let's open this up and take a look. It comes in a nice package, shipped very well. We got directions, a couple of washers in here. Nice styrofoam, packed very safely. Yeah, a couple of different fittings in here. The filter itself, which I'm assuming goes in to this unit right here. Look at that. So it screws. Screw it back on. There's a fitting there. This hooks up to the sink, and you can use one of two different features. You can use your normal tap water one way, or you can switch the lever and use filtered water for drinking water. This ought to be great. I can actually drink filtered tap water now. And apparently this filter has a 5-stage filter where it filters out the largest to the smallest particles in there. And this filter is good for 400 gallons of water. I haven't even looked at the directions yet because I don't like directions, but this looks pretty easy to install. So we're going to film this, check it out, and see how easy it is. Should be easy. All right, so I've got all the parts laid out here on the counter. It's kind of cool. So I've got the filter, I've got the unit itself, and I've got all these different attachments that hook up to different types of faucets. There's even an attachment here that if you don't have a threaded faucet, you can actually screw that on and use this hose clamp to screw it down if you so desired. They give you this little key here that actually works as a wrench for these guys. So you can just screw this on and off. Basically, there's two types of faucets. So I'm going to remove this guy right here, the original filter that was on there. And I'm not going to use any directions or threaded tape on this one because I don't think we'll need it. So basically, if your faucet either has threads inside of it or it has threads on the outside. As you can see, I've got threads on the outside of mine. So one of these, that doesn't fit. That's obviously not going to fit because it's for inside threaded ones. So let's move on to the next one. Let's pull this guy off. And so that's my guy right there. In order to attach this, we're going to need to remove this from here, the silver piece. We're going to thread that up over here, out of the way. We're going to take this piece that we're going to use because we know this is the one that works, and we're going to stick a washer in there. It's going to act as a seal and a washer, and then we're going to thread this guy on. I'm going to get it on there hand tight. And then we're just going to bring this guy over the top, grab our unit, screw that onto here. Get that threaded on there real good. I don't want to go too crazy. Open this up. We're going to insert our filter in there. And it sits in there nice and tight. You can feel it. Screw this back on. And I don't know which way is which, so let's find out. So there's the filter right there. Look at that. There it is. How easy was that? Less than a minute it took me to install this thing. So basically, you've got the lever pointed this way. It's coming straight out of the tap. And if you want to use the filter, you just turn this lever up. There it is. Filtered water. I just sampled it. I do not taste any weird taste or anything like that. That was super easy. So all these extra parts are just extra parts. They basically give you everything you need to accommodate any type of sink that you might have. Either you have threads on the outside or threads on the inside. So if you're looking for a good, affordable water filter that's pretty easy to attach to your sink, only took me about a minute, check out the Vortopt Tap Water Purifier. Check it out.